Hello traders. Today is 9th of August 2023. We had an amazing trade, guys, on Euro UN Bank. Amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. As you have seen in my yesterday analysis, we have this beautiful short trade bank, amazing profit. We were expecting a price action pullback at the New York section. Yesterday we had a beautiful long trade. Even London morning we had a beautiful long trade. Bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. Pretty straightforward as you have seen. If you look at the previous, we had this beautiful short trade here yesterday at the New York session. That's what we explained. My trader look for this breakout. Price nicely broken. After the breakout, price nicely will pull back. Nicely hit to the first target, bank some profit after banking. As always, as explained at the Asian session, just keep taking a pullback as long as price respected the support trend resistance line. You can see trend support line, beautiful pullback, 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 banking a bit. Even in the London morning session we had another beautiful breakout long trade here as soon as the price hit to the profit target. That's what I explained my trader. Either you can bank some profit or you can move your stop loss at the break even. All right, guys, you want to see all that activities in real time? Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a nice day. All the best.